Today we're looking at custom layout in Vision Desktop. Vision is Vista's video management and remote software. To add cameras to Vision Desktop, go to Live View from the control panel. Choose your required layout from the Layouts button at the bottom of the screen. Next, find your device in the left-hand panel and expand to show the cameras. Drag the cameras into the empty locations. Once happy with the layout, save it by pressing the Save View button at the bottom of the screen. Press OK to save. On the left widget panel, you will see the button to view layouts. You will see your newly saved custom view in here. Another way to add a custom view is by selecting the Add button at the top within View, choosing Layout and then Edit. This allows you to completely customise that design, including combining larger views. Pressing OK will save your design. Then go back to Layouts and choose your customised design to add cameras. Adding a name to it and pressing OK will now save it in your new custom view. And that's how easy it is to tailor your view of your camera system within Vista Vision Desktop.